The Keencut Excalibur 5000 is the ultimate vertical cutter for the professional picture framer, offering a fast and accurate cutting solution for all materials. There are 4 permanently mounted tools for instant selection mounted on either the upper or lower cutting head. 3 different cutters can be instantly selected on the standard lower cutting head, a cutting blade, a scoring blade, and a glass cutting wheel. The upper cutting head has twin cutting wheels for cutting denser materials such as MDF and masonite up to 3 mm thick. It cuts without noise and creates no airborne dust or debris. Most specified materials can be cut in one pass, although a blade depth ratchet system allows multiple cuts to be controlled with ease. Accurate alignment is simple. Production stops are easily positioned to set the required measurements. The sight line is used when trimming to crop lines or measurement marks on the material, with all of the blades cutting on the same line. The clamp is pressure sensitive and will grip various thicknesses of material without any adjustment. Everything's been designed to ensure maximum productivity. The Excalibur 5000 is available in 2 sizes with a cutting capacity of 122 cm and 160 cm, or 48 inches and 63 inches. You can also add a freestanding kit if wall space is limited. Everything's being considered to remove the possibility of user error, and the hardware in design comes with Keencut's 5-year guarantee.